Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi K70. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, 6.67 inches Quad HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 89% screen to body ratio, approximately 526 ppi pixel density, 4000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch resistant glass protection, Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus support. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30/60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 3.2 GHz. Single-core Cortex X3, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A715, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A710, plus 2 GHz tri-core Cortex A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 740 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.86 by 74.95 by 8.21 mm, and it weighs around 209 grams. The color options: black, silver, moon blue, purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 120 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 has been expected price in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 94,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 99,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 107,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 125,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi K70 smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.